Waited patiently. Oh, yeah, there is a airplane coming. Right here. As you can see, the airplane, I have used the Euler angle to implement the Euler angle to implement the rotation of pitch, yaw, and roar. So, as you can see, this is you see I press this button, left, and it is rotating, and again the right button, it is coming back, right, and then I press up button, up. Now it is rotating in another direction, right, and again I press U and O. This is roar. The previous one was pitch and yaw, and now is U and EC in the reverse direction. I have using that in my camera class and the main class. I have used the quaternions to overcome gimbal lock, and so there is no more having the trouble wire rotation, no matter in which direction. Alright, as for the first switching between first and third person's view, currently it is third person's view, and I have attempted two approaches for switching. One is camera translating. Second is keyboard pressing. See, as you can see, the first way I press W. Okay, you can see my finger. See, yeah, the camera is moving forward, and now it comes to the first person view. And again, we can also rotate. We can rotate in different three directions. Yeah, roar, yaw, and the pitch. It was not too obviously since the camera came in front, right? And the second approach is for that keyboard switching. So currently it is the third person view, and you can see now as I press W. Okay, again came to the first person's view, and for similarly I can do whatever we have tried before to this is yaw, right, reverse, forward, yaw, and pitch, see, pitch, coming back, pitch, and roar, U, I said U and O. As for the extra requirements, you can see there is the hierarchy. Okay, I use the translating. Yeah, you can see the propeller is fixed together with the airplane through hierarchy. Let's talk about the last requirement. The requirement is to make the airplane have a good looking instead of cylinder. So this is the module that I have loaded online. As you can see, this the airplane. Okay, I use translating the camera. Okay, so you can, yeah. Also, I also have I can use the mouse. Yeah, the mouse moving the camera. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, it compares the cylinder. It has a very good appearance. Okay, so this is all of the requirements that I have satisfied. Thanks very much. I very appreciate you to watch my demonstration patiently. Thank you.